Hey gang, let's take a look at what you need to do to navigate Dollar Street and learn a little bit more about your chosen country and their family. So you're going to select one of these countries right here: Colombia, Mexico, Nigeria, Romania, or South Korea, and that will take you out to Dollar Street. My example is going to be with a different country, so don't copy down any of the information that I have because I'm going to pick a different country that's not one of those five. After you've picked your country, you'll go ahead and write their name in there, the country name, and then you'll be out on Dollar Street. It'll look a little bit something like this. I'm going to pick this family right here on the right-hand side, and you're going to click them once, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to have to, where it says over here on the right, you're going to have to click visit family to really go in depth here. And then once you get on the main family page, you're going to want to click read more. And your very first step is you're going to write down the name of the family and their monthly income, and that would go right here. So I'd write the C family, TSE, and I've got their name right there. And then their monthly income, 4,609, I would write in here as well. And then it says three general observations based on the blurb. What do you notice, observe, and wonder what stands out? So you're going to go ahead and read that blurb. You're going to read about the family. And as you're reading, you are going to be on your handout. You're just going to be filling in just kind of three interesting pieces of information that stands out to you. Then, once you're done with that, you're going to go on to the bottom part of your handout here where you work on visual comparisons, visual comp. The first one that you're going to do is their front door, and then you're going to be able to choose five other pictures to compare. And you're going to be, again, doing this for two different families. So you've got your first family here, and then your second family here, and that's where the comparison comes in. And so for the first one, we got to do the front door. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that they're all in alphabetical order. And here I see front door. And so I would go ahead and click on that image of the family's front door. And on my handout where it says visual comparison front door, here is where I would write a little bit of information. So I might note that I see three panes of glass. I see that it's well lit. I see, just kind of what I would say, a metal door. It looks like it's hard to tell, but it looks like it's a steel and glass door. So I would just describe what I see, and I would jot that down in this box here because, like I said, eventually you're going to be looking at another family from another income level, and you're going to be looking at their front door and comparing it with the first family. And so after you've filled in that info on the front door, you're going to look for your next visual comparisons. And so I'm just going to go ahead and close front door. And then once I've done that, I have all kinds of other things to look and compare. The key here is, as best as you can, try and compare similar things. So for example, I might compare the backyard between both families, or the books between both families, or the lock on the front door for both families, or the couch for both families. So try and find things that both families have. But if you can't find things that both families have, that's fine. Okay, just again fill it up and just make a note of what you see on each of those. So that's really it, and really what you need to do to navigate Dollar Street. I'm going to run through it one more time just to make sure that everyone's got kind of a clear picture of it. But you're going to start with your chosen country, and again, I'm just going to pick China here. You're going to start with your chosen country. Then you're going to select one family to start with. You're going to click on that family, click on the picture of the family to select them, and then you're going to click visit this family. After you have done that, you're going to click read more, and you're going to start reading the blurb. That'll be for your boxes right here. And then you're going to start your visual comparisons and taking notes in these boxes right here. That's what we got. Let me know if you have any questions. See ya.